Frustrated trying to find your location setting in Loom? You're not alone. Learn the exact menu path to update it in under 2 minutes. In just 6 steps, you'll go from Loom's homepage to updating your profile. Follow along as we click through Personal Settings, View Atlassian, and edit your location. All right, first up, click on Personal Settings. Then, click on View on Atlassian to head over to your profile. Once you're there, look for the Based In section. Now, click on Your Location to select it. Type in your location. Just go ahead and enter it. Finally, click the check mark to confirm, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.